Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today I have for you some very exciting news and this has been a long time coming, but finally my website has gone live. It's almost actually been a year since my blog has been down and there's been lots of different things going on. I will explain a little bit more, but the big news is it's finally up. So let's get straight into it. I want to show you. I'm so excited. I love the design that finally has come through. So I want to show you through it and tell you about what you guys can expect to see on this site. Also guys, there is going to be a giveaway that I am going to be doing. So do stay tuned till the end of this video to find out what that giveaway is. And the first big change that you may have already noticed on my YouTube channel is that the name has changed. So we've changed everything because I wanted to use my married name. It's what I'm using now in most other things in life. So I just wanted to have everything under one name and it would just make things easier really. So the new website is under the name JASMINAPURI.com and so is my YouTube channel. So obviously the little link to the channel has changed, but that the links that I have on the website and everything should still take you to my YouTube channel. You will have seen that there's a new banner on the channel and there's also some new intros and outros on the videos. So I'm super excited with the new branding on the channel and on the website. So getting to the website, which is the most exciting part, what I wanted to do in this video is really quickly just run you through what you can expect to see on my blog and just kind of show you all the parts and show you what it's looking like, because I'm really excited to show you this design which has taken so long to come up with. So if we start with the homepage, you will see the first thing that I have a brand new logo. I hope you guys like this. Do let me know in the comments below what you think. And then you'll see over the top that you have the contact, about me and shop, which is where you can go and find out more about me if you want to. And you can also kind of contact me, or if you are a brand and you want to get in touch with me, there's a little form there for you to get in touch. Also here, there is some information about, styling and stuff like that, which I also offer as a service. So do go and check it out if you want to find out more about that. So in this shop, there are two different sections. One is Shop My Closet, which is all the stuff that I have featured on the blog posts that I currently own. And then there is Shop My Instagram, which is shop the looks that I have featured on my Instagram page. So if you ever see a look on Instagram that you really like, and if the things are currently available or there are dupes which are similar, I will be posting all of that on Shop My Instagram. So you can go there and you will be able to see that there are different pictures on there of the different looks that I featured on my Instagram page, and they will each one have all the items linked there. Or if I can't find the exact items, then there will be dupes which are pretty similar. And I try to go for things in a similar price range as well when I look for dupes. In the Shop My Closet section, you will see there are three sections. So you can look for stuff in fashion. You can also look for stuff in beauty. So this will split the stuff that I've featured in beauty posts and in fashion posts. And then there is a section called Wish List, which is where I feature all the items that I would really like to own. And this is kind of similar to how other bloggers have it, but I just thought I'd quickly tell you about it just in case you're not familiar with the structure. So in the home section, you will be able to find all my latest posts in chronological order. So just keep scrolling down. There is this shop site which will feature all the latest items that are featured on my posts and on my wish list. And then you will also have a little box to subscribe to my blog. And I would please like you to request to subscribe to my blog. There will be kind of exclusive discount codes and stuff that I give people that are subscribed to my blog. There will also be like exclusive giveaways for people to subscribe. And I will be sending out a weekly newsletter just so that for you to know what are the latest things that I'm loving, what are the latest things that have appeared on my blog and on my YouTube channel. So just like a little bit of a weekly catch up. But it would be really lovely if you subscribe. I promise I'm not going to be spamming your inbox with loads and loads of emails every day. It'll just be once a week for you to get a newsletter with just kind of a little summary of what has happened that week, and just maybe sometimes a few giveaways or discount codes, which I'm hoping to be given to you exclusively if you subscribe to the blog. And it's super easy. All you have to do is just put your email address and your name, and that's absolutely it. Okay, we move now on to the bigger sections on the site. You will be able to see that there is fashion, beauty, makeup, lifestyle, videos, and shop again. I'll try to show you what the sections look like. I've tried to go for quite a kind of magazine feel with the blog. I think it's kind of nice. I know a lot of people are going back to the very simplistic looking blogs, and I like the whole clean structure and easy to follow, and I've tried to make it as user friendly. I don't like having too many sections because I think it can get a little bit confusing, but I still wanted to give it a very kind of glam magazine sort of feel, sort of like something like a magazine, but you can see online. I also wanted to tell you a little bit about the posts, and I just show you quickly through one. So there's always going to be a little summary at the start of every post, and then obviously you just kind of scroll through, and as you can see, there's going to be lots and lots of pictures, so I really hope you enjoy these posts. And also there's going to be a link to all the stuff featured on the post in every single post, plus also stuff that's similar or that's kind of related to what I'm talking about. So yeah, do click those links if you want to access the products directly. I did want to disclose that those links are affiliate links in some cases, not in every case. But with those affiliate links, it really costs nothing to you, but it does help me maintain the blog and keep it going. So if you go into the fashion section, you will see that the first thing that comes at the top is search by brand. And this is a feature that I really wanted to incorporate because sometimes when I'm looking through other people's blogs, I see that I want to look for something of a specific brand, maybe because I'm looking to purchase something from that brand and I would just like to get a bit more reference on stuff from it. So I really wanted to incorporate this. So if you go there, you will see that all the brands are listed in alphabetical order. So you can just click through them and then you'll be able to see whatever brand it is that you want to search for. And if you click on it, all the posts with that brand featured in them will come up. If otherwise you go back to the main fashion page and you just scroll down, you will see that we have a sort of mosaic style, which I really liked, featuring all the posts. There's on some of them there's a little bit of a description in the highlighted post, the latest post in that section, which will come at the very top, and that gives you a little bit of an insight into what that post is about. If you keep scrolling down, you will see that it says Shop My Style, and that section will have all the latest things that are featured in that section of the website. This will work the same for fashion, beauty, makeup, whatever it is that you are looking at. Moving now into the beauty section, you will see that that's split into two sections. I've got skincare and hair care. I wanted to make it kind of quite clear what section was which, but if you go just onto beauty, you'll be able to see all the posts in chronological order. And here we've gone for a bit of a different layout, so I hope you like this other look. I just want to keep it interesting and not make every single page look the same because I thought that was kind of boring. And the rest of the page is very similar to the other section. And basically it goes the same. Then we've got makeup, and that has a similar layout to fashion, and here you'll have all the posts of me talking about any products, reviewing any makeup products that I like. And then we've got lifestyle, and in lifestyle I'm hoping to write a bit about travel, holidays. I've featured some of my favorite hotels in there, and also trying to incorporate a little bit of food and restaurants that I love, and also recipes if you guys enjoy that kind of stuff. So do let me know in the comments below what other things you would like to see on the blog, and I would love to do posts about that. But on the whole, it's going to be mostly fashion, beauty and makeup like my channel, but there will be a bit of lifestyle in there if you guys want to see stuff maybe about fitness, food, whatever it is. Let me know in the comments below. If we go to the video section, you will be able to see the last 4 videos that I featured on my YouTube channel, and there will be a link to my YouTube channel to go directly from my website, but I will keep uploading the new ones that I upload every week. Finally, guys, I wanted to tell you that there are links to all my social media on my website. You can connect with me on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. There will be links to all those things, and I will be leaving them on the screen down below. If you guys don't follow me on my social media, please go ahead and follow me now. And yeah, that's basically it. Do let me know in the comments below what you've thought of this website. I hope you enjoy it and that you love it as much as I do. I really enjoyed creating it, and it's been a hell of a lot of work for the last few months. But I think the turnout has been quite good. I really like how it looks right now. So let me know in the comments below what you think. And the last bit of news I have for you on this video is that there is an exclusive giveaway. We recently reached 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and I was unable to do a giveaway at that point. And I thought I would do it when I would launch the website. So now, in the happiness of both things happening, I have a great giveaway for you guys. So if you want to enter that giveaway, I will link all the details down below. But basically, all you need to do is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my blog, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave a comment down below on this video. I will be selecting the winner in 2 weeks' time, and I will be contacting them directly through Instagram, so do make sure that you're following me on there as well. And basically the giveaway is going to be a whole bundle of goodies that I absolutely love, and I'm going to be inserting a little clip now to show you what those goodies are. First up, this product from my favorite makeup brand, Charlotte Tilbury. It's her Legendary Lashes Mascara. I absolutely love this one. It's super volumizing, super lengthening, so I'm sure you're going to love this one for a smoky eye. Next up is the Professional Primer from Benefit. I absolutely love this one. It's the primer that made me believe in primers again. It honestly leaves your skin looking amazing. It closes your pores, makes your makeup look flawless. It's not very drying or silicone-y. It just feels really nice and velvety, so I absolutely love this one, especially when I want my makeup to last all day. And finally, for makeup stuff, there is this Clarisonic brush that you can put on your Clarisonic device. It's really lovely, very soft and velvety, and great to apply foundation. The bristles are really fast spread, so foundation looks really nice and even, but not cakey. Next up from the Sanctuary Spa, this gift set. I absolutely love their stuff. This one has a body scrub, a shower gel, a little sponge to use in the shower, and also a body butter. Their products are so good. I find they smell amazing and they're great to nourish your skin and not leave it stripped. There's a little picture here of the products that are included in the gift set. I don't want to open it for you because it looks so pretty, but I'll show you this picture on the back. Next up, one of my favorite hair care products, this one from KERASTASSE. It's their Keratin Tonic. I featured this in my recent hair tutorial, and it's just a really nice kind of milky sort of serum that you put on your hair to heat protect it, but also to stop it from frizzing up. I used this on a trip to Dubai and my hair just looked amazing. I absolutely love this one, and I'll link my tutorial now if you guys haven't watched it, but I use this every single time I wash my hair. And finally, this beautiful rose gold watch from Filippo Loretti. I recently did a lookbook video featuring this watch, and I showed you how to style up in 3 ways. A lot of you said that you absolutely love it, so I decided to get one to gift you guys. It is a really nice watch. It's from the Venice Moonface collection. I think it's a classic but still very glamorous watch that would go with a lot of different things. So I hope you guys enjoy this one, and this one is the absolute star of this giveaway. So I hope you guys enter it to win it. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for your support and for your patience through all these months with my website. Do check it out and let me know in the comments below what you thought about it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!